Hello guys, let's unbox the new adjustable torque wrench. So, itong torque wrench guys, ito yung ginagamit mostly sa mga mekaniko sa paghigpit ng mga bolts sa katamtamang higpit. So, as you can see, ito yung product. Clockwise at saka counterclockwise po yan guys. Yan. Tapos, this part naman is yung pag-tighten at pag-loosen naman ng mismo switch. Ito yung ito yung knob. So kung mahigpit to, hindi yan iikot. So kung maluwag naman yan, iikot yan. The reason ay luluwag natin dito para ma-adjust ito natin ng, for example, gusto mong higpitan ng yung torque wrench, yung lug nuts ng Vigo. So under user's manual, Google mo na lang yan. So that's 100 Newton meters of torque. Now as you can see dito, merong torque tsaka meron naman ding TPS. So kalimitan ginagamit yung torque. So since 100 yung gusto natin at tsaka wala naman talagang 100 dito, so meron lang tayong 98. So closest ito sa 100. So all you need to do, make sure mo na yung 0 nakatapat dito sa may gitna. Tapos luwagan mo na dito. Tapos para maikot mo to. So ikot mo yan hanggang yung gitna is nasa 98. So natin yan. So 98, 0, tapos 98. Now since gusto natin ng 100, so all you need to do is ikot mo na lang ng dalawang guhit. So as you can see, merong dalawang guhit dyan. So clockwise po yan. So isa, so 98, 99, 100. So this is now a 100 Newton meters of torque. Now higpitan nyo lang dito para hindi ito magalaw or hindi ito ma-adjust. Right. So this is how we use the torque wrench. Kailangan nyo, by the way, ng 22mm of bolt socket. Tapos lagay nyo dyan and then higpitan nyo. Once you heard of click, yun na yung ibig sabihin na na-tighten na yung bolt. So, click. Tighten nyo yan. So, yun na yan.